If you've watched the first video and you have your plans set up in Google Docs, now I'm going to show you how to link them to your Canvas page. So I'm using an old set of plans from 2019, and it's really important that you follow these specific steps to grab the link. If you just come up here to your URL bar and grab this link, it absolutely will not work. So please follow these steps. You're going to start by pressing Share in the upper right-hand corner. And from here, what you're going to do is use the Get Links section on the bottom. Now, usually it defaults to restricted. Only people added can open with this link. If that is the case, then only people who've been manually added to your plans will be able to see them. That will take up a lot of your time. So instead, you're going to click Share with St. John Vianney High School. When you do that, you're going to get another menu. Now your option is anyone in this group with this link can view. We want to make sure that we're set to viewer, because if you change it to editor or commenter, then your kids are going to leave all kinds of notes on your plans, and you don't want that. So if it's set to anyone in this group with this link can view, and it's set to viewer, then press copy link. Now you've got the link and you can press done. We're going to go back over to our Canvas page and down to the settings section. From here, we're going to select apps. And this is where we're going to use that redirect tool. So you're going to type in redirect, and it's this blue arrow. You're going to add app. And now where it says URL redirect, I'm just going to highlight that and Control V to paste in my plans. And I want to show this in the course navigation menu. I'm going to rename it Weekly Plans, and then I'm going to add app. You'll get this little message that it was added successfully. So then I should be able to see Weekly Plans in my bar. If I go back maybe to navigation, I might have to actually click out of it. So let me just save and click out, and then see if I have Weekly Plans. There it is. So once I press save, I can now go here because it's hidden right now, and I can drag Weekly Plans. Oh no, I'm sorry, I have two Weekly Plans because I've done this for previous videos. So my Weekly Plans is automatically showing, and I can see that because it's got the eye there. I just want to make sure that it appears above modules. So I'm going to drag it up and press save. And now when I go back to my home page, I should be able to go into student view, and I can actually test out the weekly plan. So if I click on it, it's going to ask me to open it in a new tab, and there's the plans that your students will see. If you have any questions, please let me know.